Good morning, dear students. Now we will study the second lesson of political science, alias civics. The name of the lesson is Constitutional Design. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैसे बना, इस लेसन में हम ये पढ़ेंगे। संविधान का बनना। Okay, let us move. The first topic of the lesson is democratic constitution in South Africa. Before study and before going towards the Indian constitution and its making, your chapter deals with the topic democratic constitution in South Africa. पहले आप साउथ अफ्रीका में का डेमोक्रेटिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेटअप समझ लीजिए, उसके बाद आपको इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकिंग बताया जाएगा। सो लेट अस मूव। अपार्थीड। अपार्थीड क्या होता है? ये काले गोरे का भेद है। अपार्थीड इज ए सिस्टम इन विच black people are treated in a very bad way by white skin people. काले गोरे का भेद करना ही अपार्थी कहलाता है, जो एक समय साउथ अफ्रीका में होता था। मुट्ठी भर अंग्रेज और लाखों काले लोगों पे राज करते थे और उनके बीच में भेदभाव करते थे। इसी को अपार्थीड कहा जाता है। ओके, सो मूव अहेड। Apartheid is a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa imposed by white Europeans. मुझे लग रहा है आपको धीरे धीरे समझ में आ रहा होगा। During the 17th and 18th century, the trading companies from Europe occupied it means South Africa, with arms and force and became the local rulers. The system of apartheid divided the people and labeled them on the basis of their skin color. The white rulers treated at non-whites as inferior. जो वाइट स्किन वाला होगा यूरोपियन, वो रूलर होंगे और बाकी सब inferior क्वालिटी के होंगे, उन पर वो राज करेंगे। The non-whites did not have voting rights and were forbidden from living in the white areas. The blacks, colored and Indians fought against the apartheid system from 1950. The African National Congress (ANC) was the umbrella organization that led the struggle against the policies of segregation. Nelson Mandela was one of the most important leaders amongst the 8 who were tried for treason by the white South African government. They were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 for daring to impose the apartheid regime in the country. उन चंद लोगों में से नेल्सन मंडेला भी थे जिनको आजीवन कारावास मिला था, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी आवाज़ को बुलंद की थी सफ़ेद गोरों के खिलाफ जो कि उन पर राज करते थे। Next topic is giving rise to new constitution. As the protest and struggle against apartheid increases, the blacks could no longer be kept under the rule of government through repression. The white regime changed its policies. Discriminatory laws were repealed, ban on political parties and restrictions on the media were lifted. Nelson Mandela was released after 28 years in the Robben Island prison. 28 साल तक नेल्सन मंडेला जेल में थे। The apartheid government came to an end on the midnight of 26 April 1994. Recently, few years back, the system has changed, paving way to the formation of a multiracial government, mixed government. Following the emergence of new democratic South Africa, the party that ruled through the oppression and brutal killings and the party that led the freedom struggle sat together to draw a common constitution. The constitution gave to its citizens the most extensive rights available in any country. Together they decided that in the search for a solution to the problems, nobody should be excluded. It is one of the best constitution in which the maximum rights are given to the people to search for the solution of problem. Then we come to one topic. Next topic is why the need of for constitution is there. Why we people need constitution? What is the need of constitution? Is it necessary or it can be avoided? Take the example of South Africa to see why we need the constitution and why what constitution do. The oppressor and oppressed were planning to live together as equals in the new democracy. Each section wanted to safeguard their interests and wanted substantial and social and economic right. The very first point is there to fulfill the social and economic rights we need constitution. It is very necessary. Through negotiation, both parties came to a compromise. The whites agreed to the principle of majority rule and that of one person, one vote. You cannot ignore the majority. They also agreed to accept some basic right for the poor and the workers. You also cannot ignore the poor. They are also the citizen of nation. They are marginalized and they need some extra help by the government. The blacks agreed that majority rule would not be absolute and that the majority would not take away the property of the white minority. Minority also has to be taken care of. Otherwise there will be a condition of rebel and country cannot run for long, as we see in Sri Lanka. How was this compromise to be implemented? The only way to build and maintain trust in such a situation was to write down some rules of game that everyone would abide by. These supreme rules that no government would be able to ignore are called a constitution. See, what is a constitution? Constitution is a framework. Second line, it is a written document in which some rules and regulations are laid how the government will rule the nation. यही होता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, संविधान. संविधान एक लिखित दस्तावेज है जिसमें कि वो नियम कानून लिखे होते हैं जिनके अनुसार सरकार देश को चलाता है. Every country has diverse groups of people. All over the world, people have differences of opinion and interest. The constitution is the supreme law that determines the relationship among the people living in a territory called citizens, and also the relationship between the people and government who find what the constitution do below. Constitution एक सुप्रीम बुक होती है जिसमें रूल्स होते हैं, जिसमें लिखे होते हैं कि क्या रिलेशन होंगे सिटीज़न के गवर्नमेंट के साथ, क्या रिलेशन होंगे गवर्नमेंट के सिटीज़न के साथ, क्या नियम रूल्स होंगे जिनके अनुसार जो रिलेशनशिप होंगे गवर्नमेंट और सिटीज़न के बीच में. ये सारी चीज़ें उसमें लिखी रहती हैं जिससे कि आगे चल के लोगों के बीच में द्वंद्व होने का कम से कम चांसेस रहे. द फाइटिंग और द misconception situation can be avoided between the citizen and government. So to avoid such things, the constitution is made and all the necessary rules are lying there. First, it generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. A country like India, where more than 5 to 6 religions are living with their own faith and devotion. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Parsi, Jain, considerable large number of people are living with their diverse in culture, diverse in their devotion, diverse in their religion. All that huge diversity is found. Wherever the huge diversity is there in any nation, then there remains a chance of quarreling between the majority and minority. To avoid such situation, a common consensus is made that is laid down on a book, that is the constitution. So first thing, that constitution generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for the different kind of people to live together. Different kind of people means diversity. Some are from different religions, some are different sects, some are different creed. अलग अलग तरह के लोग, हिंदू हो चाहे मुस्लिम हो चाहे सिख हो चाहे ईसाई हो चाहे आदमी हो चाहे औरत हो, गरीब हो अमीर हो, मेजॉरिटी माइनॉरिटी में कोई डिफरेंस ना हो, सब एक साथ रह सके, इसलिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती है. सेकंड, इट इज स्पेसिफाई हाउ द गवर्नमेंट विल बी कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड, हु विल हैव द पावर टू टेक विच डिसीजंस. लोग रहेंगे तो एक सरकार भी होनी चाहिए जो उनके बिहाफ पे डिसीजन ले, उनके भलाई के लिए. तो इसमें यह रहता है कि एक सरकार बनाने का भी निर्देश रहता है जो जनता की भलाई के लिए काम करेगा, कि उसे क्या क्या पावर होंगे. थर्ड, इट लेट्स डाउन द लिमिट्स ऑफ द पावर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, टेल्स अस व्हाट द राइट्स ऑफ द सिटीजन्स आर. देयर इज अ डिलिमिटेशन इन द पावर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एंड इट आल्सो टेल्स द अबाउट द राइट्स ऑफ द सिटीजन, that government is not having an absolute power, citizens are also having power for their own personality development. Fourth, it expresses the aspiration of the people about creating a good society. Constitution tells about the aspiration of people, what society they want to make for themselves. All countries that have the constitution are not necessarily democratic, but all countries that are democratic will have the constitutions. तो यहाँ तक की कहानी थी ये साउथ अफ्रीका की, जिससे आपको एक अंदाज़ा लग गया होगा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या होता है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्यों होता है, इसकी ज़रूरत क्या पड़ती है. तो यही 4 मेन कारण हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होने के. अगली बार जब हम मिलेंगे तो पढ़ेंगे मेकिंग ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, भारतीय संविधान का निर्माण. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.